OneDrive is Microsoft's document management tool. It allows you to share, organize, and secure documents. You can launch by clicking on View Online. It'll open in a browser. Looking at the page left to right, you can see the navigation, the center area where the content is, your documents, and it's a search box. And then over to the right, you can see the welcome, some feedback information, some settings, help, and your account. So let's go back to the left. So clicking on Home again, you'll see that there's some filters. You can filter content by document type, so Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Click on My Documents. We can see our folders. Click on the Documents folder. You can see documents. You can see the menu. Allows you to open a file. You can open it in the browser or the Client app. The Client app is the full application that's installed on your laptop. You can manage access, so you can see who has access to the document, and then you can share the document, enter their email address. This is a favorite button, and if you click on favorites, you can favorite all your documents. So the most common documents you work with, you can favorite and go there, and you'll have access to all of them. These are people in meetings, because I'm not subscribed to any meetings that won't show up. That's a team site, Microsoft Teams, and that's the document library within the Teams. That's the storage area at the bottom. Just going back to home. And that's it for our demo. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.